High Ticket Profit System Review. Hi, my name is Jackie J. Williams. Have you been searching for ways to scale your business and it's like searching for a pin in the depth of the ocean? I was there, and luckily I found a solution. In this video, I'll be reviewing this product that most small business owners are talking about. The idea behind the review is my belief that no single product works for everybody. My mission in this channel is to help you make quality purchasing decisions. Watch this video carefully and see if this product is what you've been searching for. But before that, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please encourage me by doing it now. Click on the bell icon, so that you can be notified when I publish the next video. Like, and share this video with your friends. Let me know your comments in the comments section below. The links mentioned in this video are in the description section below. You can check them out. If you are ready, as I am, let's dive in. High Ticket Profit System Review. Many marketers devote their whole time to promoting items from low-ticket affiliate schemes. That implies they could only get a few cents or dollars in commission for each transaction. High-ticket programs allow you to earn a lot of money with each transaction. Big-ticket campaigns are a wonderful method to boost your online income. If you're tired of scraping by on little commissions, try promoting some high-ticket products. You'll be surprised at how soon you may begin to make money with these goods. Consider the power of high-ticket plus free traffic, it is enormous. So today I'm going to create a one-of-a-kind technique to sell other vendors' high-ticket products that people like, and earn thousands of dollars throughout the process. It's known as the High Ticket Profit System. Working with High Ticket Profit System requires less effort than working with regular affiliate offers, but the commissions are 100 to 200 times more. This solution can help you minimize competition and make it easy to earn hundreds of dollars in every transaction without a list or even sponsored traffic. So, if you're interested, let's dive right into my review. Auto, one-time offer, High Ticket Profit System. There is a front-end offer as well as 10 one-time offers. High Ticket Profit System Auto 1 is the unlimited version. High Ticket Profit System Auto 2 is the do-it-yourself version. High Ticket Profit System Auto 3 is the traffic version, and High Ticket Profit System Auto 4 is automation. High Ticket Profit System Auto 5 is the ATM edition, Auto 6 is the Ultimate edition, and Auto 7 is the reseller license. Auto 8 is the 30K edition, Auto 9 is the Super Affiliate, and Auto 10 is the Millionaire edition. There are a few more down sales. This product was created by Glenn Kosky, Rob Beckwith, and Lee Kosky. High Ticket Profit System is an affiliate pro formula that includes a bundled set of tools and training that covers every money-pulling factor, traffic, email marketing, high-ticket offers, etc., with no overhead charges. High Ticket Profit Method is a brand new software and full system that allows virtually anyone to earn daily commissions. It was designed from the bottom up to provide you with instant authority and all of the conversion bells and whistles that are generally only available to skilled marketers. Glenn Kosky's High Ticket Profit System provides all of this and more for you, including 100% free traffic. You won't even need a list to make this work. And we'll host your site for you, so you'll have no monthly fees. The program generates a DFY affiliate review site with 25 high-converting products and pays you for each transaction. Each product comes with a professional evaluation, overall rating, demo video, illustrations, and other features. High Ticket Profit System is a platform for affiliate profit creation that allows you to find the top affiliate offers and put them on your done-for-you affiliate review site for big traffic and revenue. This is the only platform of its type for discovering the top affiliate items and automatically publishing them on the world's most popular affiliate review site. So, instead of ever struggling again, you may practically have your own DFY monetized platform up and running and ready to provide results in a matter of minutes. Hear what the creators of the product said. Most experts said it was impossible, because we wanted to set a world record. A self-contained, pre-monetized, DFY platform with limitless possibilities, featuring cutting-edge conversion technology. However, even total beginners will find it simple to point and click. Glenn Kosky boosted thus, typically, technology involves trade-offs. Either become incredibly simple to use, or enhanced functionality. But not both. My coders, on the other hand, like a good challenge. So they took every strategy I'd learned from selling over $15 million in merchandise online. Then they were bundled into a next-generation platform. This free buyer traffic is drawn from 300 built-in sources and sent to various paid deals, all from inside one dashboard. So don't be afraid to watch this video review of this high-ticket profit system, because I'll show you how effective it is. You have everything you require as the product creators claimed. Hear them. To begin creating traffic using high-ticket profit system. High-ticket profit system, you will get access to high-ticket profit system, the only software and system you will ever require. Worth $47 per month or $564 per year. Free traffic generator, you'll receive a built-in traffic generator that will provide you with all of the free traffic you'll ever require. Valued at $47 per month. Multiple done-for-you campaigns. For a limited time, we are providing done-for-you campaigns that you may utilize to jumpstart your business right immediately. Worth $997. Training and steps, we'll walk you through the ins and outs of the high-ticket profit system and how to get the most out of your investment. Worth $397. Support staff plus QA, if you have any problems, please contact our support team. We would be delighted to assist you. Worth $297. Your immediate turnkey super affiliate site, with everything done for you. Copy and paste a genuine $1K/day super affiliates campaign, without writing, setup, expenses, or headaches. Legally steal other people's content and pass IT off as your own, so you never have to write a word or create a video. Launch proven super affiliate campaigns in seconds, all of which are evergreen. In just one click, replace my affiliate link with your affiliate link. Built-in list building component allows you to create your list while also gaining a social following, while also earning daily commissions. $20,000 worth of preloaded software, which you may give out as bonuses or lead magnets. Guarantee for 180 days, if you don't notice results after utilizing the high-ticket profit system, we'll refund your money. You will receive immediate access to the high-ticket profit system cloud-based software, which includes the built-in products, so you will have all you need. You must begin receiving traffic within the next 15 minutes. You'll also receive step-by-step instructions so you can get started right away. And you'll have access to 24/7 support if you have any questions or need assistance with anything. Furthermore, users get access to 1. Meme Factory enables you to make incredible photos that will go viral. 2. List building software that gathers leads when visitors leave comments requesting product discounts. The selling point. A distinct perspective on traffic creation. All-in-one traffic platform, affiliate software, and follower booster. Add-on for list generation. The built-in image editor allows users to generate their own photos and hashtags. Then, by drawing massive traffic on the fastest-growing social network, you may utilize this material to advertise their affiliate offerings. Here are some of the important features you'll find inside. Hottest goods. The program identifies the most popular products from Warrior Plus and ClickBank. Cloud simplicity. There are no updates, installs, or hosting requirements. For today's huge traffic, all you need is a browser. Traffic generation. In the niche, the software generates the highest traffic. Browser compatibility. You want your items to be seen everywhere, and this software is compatible with all major browsers. Hashtag magic. Hashtags are widely utilized on social media to generate trending postings. List building. The program adds anybody who inquires about your product to your mailing list automatically. High-ticket profit system finds the hottest goods and then links the list to the most shared articles in your field. This in the cloud platform uses cutting-edge technology to assess the finest items in your specialty and then spread them using an inbuilt viral hashtag system. Glenn Kosky's high-ticket profit system is just what you need to take your business to the next level. This is a game changer. Your internet company will thrive with free traffic. Consider how simple it will be to get started earning commissions. Drive traffic on demand. With the high-ticket profit system, you may get free traffic with the touch of a button. Tap into the hottest social media trends and ride their coattails to ensure your affiliate revenues skyrocket. Increase product sales. Traffic equals sales. And the traffic you'll get with high-ticket profit system is eager and focused, which is the finest type of traffic. Create a list on autopilot. This is where high-ticket profit system's X factor comes into play. The program automatically adds questions regarding your article to your autoresponder and then sends your affiliate link to that email address, resulting in quick purchases. My recommendation: high-ticket profit system is a quality product that every serious marketer should consider buying. If you want to try it out, the link is in the description below. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, if you've not already done so. Hit the bell icon to enable you to be notified of the next video. Like and share the video with your friends.